In this fence installation, we prefabricated each panel off-site before ever setting the posts. How was this possible? By laying out the post marks prior to digging and building and going through with a zip level. We then have the data we need to incorporate the optimized panel lengths and the adjusted grade changes from each point throughout the system. Then we go through and dig all of the post holes and insert the post inside. When installing the custom fence panel, we follow the Fence Genius software, in which there are 2 marks on opposing sides of the panel. The purpose of those marks are to level the panel as if follows the terrain, so there is verification it is installed correctly. Identifying those marks, we take an 8-foot level and level the panel accordingly. Once leveled, we fix into place with temporary wedges at the bottom and a diagonal brace while we pour the concrete. From this point, we continue the so-called daisy chaining method by installing post after panel. Throughout the process, each panel took 7 to 8 minutes to install and brace before moving on to the next one. Utilizing the mud mixer, we could pour the concrete while we worked on the next section. When we take each panel off of the trailer, we are pre-drilling holes into the vertical rails to insert long screws. We ended up finding that it is ideal for a 3-man crew, in comparison to a 2-man crew. This is not a common use case in the Pacific Northwest. However, areas of the country where holes are easy to dig, this method works beautifully. Less time is spent on site, and more time is spent being efficient. In the meantime, you can watch the rest of this installation take place.